Welcome to our channel. If you want to transfer your photos from iCloud to Google Photos, follow these step-by-step instructions to move your images safely and ensure they are backed up in your Google account. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to iCloud.com. Log in with your Apple ID and password. Step 2. Click on Photos to access all the images stored in your iCloud account. Step 3. Select the photos you want to transfer by clicking on them. You can select multiple photos by holding down the Command key on Mac or Control key on Windows. Step 4. Click the download icon to download the selected photos to your computer. The photos will be saved as a zip file. Step 5. Extract the zip file to a folder on your computer to access the individual photo files. Step 6. Open your web browser and go to Photos, google.com. Log in with your Google account. Step 7. Click Upload in the top right corner and select Computer to upload photos from your device. Step 8. Navigate to the folder where you extracted the iCloud photos, select the images, and click Open to upload them to Google Photos. Wait for the upload to complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.